So if you're into AI, you're definitely going to come across Hugging Face, and Hugging Face is more or less a site where it is a community platform and a central hub for AI and machine learning. So the main features of Hugging Face is we have the models, we have data sets, we have spaces, we have posts, docs, and I'm going to go through them all. I'm just going to go through the site a bit to give you an idea of what it is. So when it comes to the models, let's click on models, and we have, well, now we have like 1,000,000 models to filter through. So we have here are the tasks. So this is just the different multimodals that we have. So multimodal means that it can do more than just, let's say, text to text. It can do text to text, and it can do text to images like ChatGPT, for example. So that's that. And then here we have computer vision. So these are like the categories. And the very top, we have the models here, and we can filter the search according to the most trending, most likes, most downloads here. And the models are basically things like ChatGPT, other models that people are coming up with, fine-tuning them for very specific things. Hugging Face makes it very easy to use these models locally with Python using packages like diffusers for image generation, transformers for tasks, Torch for deep learning. And in each model, there's a model card, which gives you the description of the model and its purpose. It's going to give you a sample code, and then after that, it's going to give you a benchmark. And then it also gives you like links to community discussions. So for example, when you come to the image generation, I'm going to look for Black Forest Labs. This is something that a lot of people already know. This is an image generating software, and this is one of the places that you can use it. And this is the image card that we have here. We have a description for it, the usage, the AI, API key points, and also tells you how you can run it on your own computer. So I'm going to do that in another video, but today I just wanted to go through what Hugging Face is. So when it comes to the datasets, this is where you can have the different types of datasets that you can use for different types of fine-tuning when it comes to AI models. And you can just click on one and then download it and use it. So when it comes to datasets, these are the datasets that are usually used by people who want to fine-tune different types of AI. This is where you can find them. And then spaces is where we are going to spend most of our time, because this is where you can run different types of AI on your own browser without necessarily downloading it on your machine. So for example, I am going to come here and then search for spaces. So I'm going to search for something like Black Forest Labs, and this is the one that is for image generating softwares. So I'm going to go to Black Forest. Here it is, Flux. This is Flux 1.1. So I'm just going to click on that. Black Forest Labs, make sure it's from that. Click on that, and then it's going to load. So this is where you can enter your prompt and then click on run. So I'm going to enter one prompt. So for example, I'm going to use a colony of ants matching up a line in a forest floor, and then I'm going to click run. And the cool thing with this, it's going to be fast, it's going to be free, and it is also not as taxing on your machine because it is using basically a browser. I recommend that you switch to Edge if you're using Chrome, because Chrome is going to use a lot of RAM. So it doesn't take that long. Yeah, so that's your image. So this is the image that you've seen. This is like the full screen version, and this is what I've generated, and I have the option of downloading it as well. So I can download it on my own machine. Hugging Face spaces are like one of the best things I've seen so far. There are different types of models that you can try. I'm going to put it in the link description below. Okay, so that's the video for anyone who's really been thinking what Hugging Space is and how it can be useful to you. It's a place where you can run different types of AI on your own browser without necessarily having to download them. I am going to have another video where I'm going to show you how you can download an LLM on your own computer from the datasets or from the models that we have on Hugging Space. That's it for this video. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do more videos on different types of AI as we await for artificial general intelligence to come. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.